This is Oluwadola here. I'm getting the alternator change on my favorite car. Y'all know him. He's the Honda Accord 03LX. He's changing the alternator. He's making it look easy. The alternator is almost out of there. It is killing my battery, making me change batteries every 2 weeks. So it will be changed today. It is coming out like a baby. How long does alternator supposed to last?
It depends. Depends how much you drive. Depends on the car, what car you have too.
Which is the best car for alternator that lasts a long time?
Probably Hondas.
Okay.
You see how many miles you have on the car?
Yes.
And then what time you change it. It's been a long time. It still says Honda on the alternator, so it's still a stock one.
How much would it cost for if you buy a Honda stock one? How much is?
Oh, those are $500-600. Oh yeah, they're expensive.
What do you think is the best car maker?
Honda. I have one.
Not even German?
Outside. No.
The Japanese?
Japanese. Toyota and stuff. Yeah. Toyota, Nissan, good cars. But Honda and Toyota is good cars. But Honda and Toyota is the cars you want to go. Nissan have bad transmissions. Cars now, all of them, they all have the CVT transmissions. They're no good. These cars right here are the cars you want. These older ones.
So, as you can see, he's trying to deliver the baby. Just get out of there.
Almost.
That thing is in the way. This one. Come on, get out of there. Almost got it.
Almost.
What exactly is that? I mean, no Vesta car.
This right here is the AC line. Bring that up a little bit.
I tell you, inches matter. I tell you, inches matters. Inches.
That's it.
Inches matters in everything.
That's it.
Everything matters. You can see. Now we're going to install the new one. The tin is trying to fly away.
Yeah.
See? It's easy as apple pie. new alternator is now in. The belt has been put back on. Everything is looking good.